How can you save a web page as PDF on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So on your iPhone, just go inside of your any website within the Safari, right? You can just open up something and then click on the three dots and click the share button. So when you click on share, it's going to give you plenty of different options and ways to actually export the website. And in order to turn it into a PDF, the best way to do it is to, in my opinion, is to click on the print button. So you can see there is going to be the print like this, and it's going to turn the whole web page into a PDF format. So right now we are not actually going to print it physically, but we're going to click on the share icon again, and you can see we have the PDF document from that particular website. So you can now decide what you want to do with it. So most likely you just want to save it to the Files app because you probably just want to store it, right? And that's how you can make sure that it is exported and saved somewhere else, which means that you can do whatever you want with it, but it's now a PDF. So it might work better for some websites than for others. If it's just a plain text with a couple of images on that website, then it's just going to work well. For some more complicated, designs and these UI elements, then it may work a little bit different or perhaps more difficult, but that's how you do this. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you later.